scene was set at the Hotel Marriott's Crystal Ballroom, where a regional dialogue on the role of Parliament in promoting exports, trade and commerce under CPEC in Sindh was held. Advisor CM Sindh Nisar Khuhro, while addressing ladies and gentlemen in the audience, said,
"Let me first appreciate the efforts of the Parliamentary Committee on CPEC to having taken this trouble of coming to every province. They say that we will go to all other provinces also and discuss CPEC. Definitely a game changer for Pakistan. We will be asking you again, what happened after the conference? What happened about this thing or the other thing? So let these questions be addressed quickly. Development, I should benefit from the development, not my grandchildren. This is what we feel it should be done now."
Jochen Hippler of FES maintained,
"I personally think that CPEC gives a big opportunity to the Pakistani society and economy to develop. But let me also share with you that sometimes many of my Pakistani friends, and I'm coming to Pakistan for 35 years now, so there are quite a few of them, some of my Pakistani friends seem to believe that CPEC is something which is mostly done with Chinese and we are just getting things. My feeling is that CPEC gives an opportunity for Pakistani society itself to use it as a tool to advance."
Chairman Parliamentary Committee on CPEC Sher Arbab stated,
"Since it is a parliamentary committee, we represent the Parliament. We represent the Parliament of Pakistan. It is our firm commitment and pledge that we have and will always support all the stakeholders, all the provinces, regardless of which political party is in power in that given province."
Waseem, Chairman Planning and Development, Government of Sindh, held,
"The Supreme Court of Pakistan has allowed us to work simultaneously on the modern KCR because that would be the ultimate solution, because it would be a high power train system and with connectivity with the whole of city of Karachi. So with the help of federal government, sir, we are going to operationalize the green line, which originates from Surjani town and it culminates at Municipal Park at Jinnah Road."
A press conference was held. Humayoun of FES Pakistan moderated the program SES under CPEC.
स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स में जब हम बात करेंगे तो हमें प्रेफर करनी चाहिए वो इंडस्ट्रीज जो एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड हो और चाइनीज मार्केटिंग नेटवर्क जो ग्लोबल मार्केटिंग नेटवर्क है उसमें हमें एक्सेस दें और हमारे यहाँ बने हुए प्रोडक्ट उस नेटवर्क से एक्सपोर्ट करें.
And what happened, we had actually two companies, the China Harbour Engineering Company with its JV partners, Smile Quality, and one other JV partner also.
हमें इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर जो बेसिकली फैसिलिटेट करेगा उस राइजिंग हंग्री फॉर एनर्जी, ट्रेड, इंडस्ट्री, पावर को हमारा प्लेसमेंट, ज्योग्राफिकल प्लेसमेंट, वो कहते हैं कि इन फॉरेन अफेयर, इन फॉरेन रिलेशंस देयर आर नो परमानेंट फ्रेंड्स और परमानेंट एनिमीज, देयर आर परमानेंट इंटरेस्ट.
My point is, sir, that when you try to become a partner in China-Pakistan economic door, your policy must, first of all, structured on what we are trying to achieve. That we have not been able to achieve because, unfortunately, the private sector has not been on board.
Dr. Jochen Hippler, Country Director FES Pakistan, moderated the program promoting regional connectivity, export and commerce through CPEC.
That CPEC is win-win for everybody. All the direct stakeholders like China and Pakistan, all the South countries, Central Asian states, and as we saw in the representation that it's a linkage between the energy-rich nations and energy-hungry nations. But for us, sitting over here in this country,
CPEC provides 42 projects that totally rely on the socio-economic development.
When we talk about the new markets, definitely we have to prepare ourselves for the competition, because it is all we can have the win-win situation we have whenever we have the competitive workforce.